Hello all, welcome back to our channel. This is Sujita from VSC Silk Sarees. In this video, we are going to see a turning type putta in Handloom Kanchipuram soft silk sarees. We have 6 different colors in this video, so we are going to see all these sarees. Before that, if you're first time watching our channel, please do subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon so that you'll get regular notifications whenever we are uploading fresh collections. So this is the first saree, a beautiful violet with peacock blue combination. As you can see, the top of the saree you have a putta, in bottom you have a turning type. In that you have a coin motifs which comes all over the saree in bottom part. You have a jari border at the top of the saree. This is the back side of the saree. As you can see, the puttas comes all over the saree and the turning coin puttas is also followed all over the saree. This is the full saree. All these puttas and turning is done in a gold jari. And next is a beautiful yellow with pink combination. You will get a contrast pallu and blouse in pink color. And all over the saree a beautiful yellow color body with beautiful puttas followed by a pink color turning border. So all these are double web sarees, premium quality silk, comes with a SILKMARK certified. If you want to book any of these sarees, do take screenshot and text us in the WhatsApp. And next is a royal blue with peacock blue combination. A very beautiful design and a fast moving design. You will get a contrast blouse. So please do share the screenshot if you want to book any of these sarees. We are shipping all over India and we give international shipping as well, so you can book it from anywhere. And next is an orange with green combination. So all are very beautiful color combination, a very bright color combinations. This is the full saree. All these puttas are done in a gold jari. And it is a double web saree. So please do book this saree. We have very limited stock in each of these colors. This is a pink with violet combination. And next is a peacock blue with royal blue combination. So please do share this video with your friends and family if you like our collections. Also don't forget to subscribe our channel. Do take screenshot and text us in the WhatsApp for booking. Hope you like these collections. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.